Okay, let's move to the second lens. This one feels like the very spirit of Hamfounder, as you said, deconstructing successful diaspora network models.
They're a perfect blueprint, really.
Yeah.
Ty's mission, for example, foster entrepreneurship through mentoring, networking, education, funding, and incubation.
Mm.
It almost perfectly mirrors Ham Founder's value proposition.
Wow. Okay.
Their success is built on a holistic approach. They provide extensive mentorship programs like Ty Nurture, designed to get startups investor ready.
Right.
They facilitate networking, not just through a global platform, but crucially, through numerous local chapter events. Things like open mic nights. That's where the deep, meaningful interactions happen.
Face to face.
Exactly. They also emphasize education, promoting entrepreneurship even from an early age, with programs like Thai Young Entrepreneurs. For funding, they have the Thai Angels Network, a major angel group in Silicon Valley. They provide capital, sure, but also invaluable guidance and access to their broader network.
So money plus smarts.
Right. And incubation is another vital piece, managed by local chapters and closely tied into the mentorship.
That sounds incredibly comprehensive.
But the real engine, the backbone of this ecosystem, it's the charter members, or CMs.
Okay, who are they?
These are successful entrepreneurs, executives.
Yeah.
It's invite only. And they voluntarily drive the whole ecosystem. They provide the mentorship, they do the investing through Thai Angels, they take leadership roles both locally and globally.
So they're not just users, they're actively building it.
Exactly.
And what about other diaspora networks? Is Thai's model the only way, or are there different flavors?
Oh, we can draw some powerful comparisons. Take
Gotcha.
the capitalist Kibbutz, which is J Ventures, an Israeli diaspora network. They're focused on being a global community-based VC fund.
Okay.
Their key insight, their limited partners, the LPs, the actual investors, they are active participants.
Mm.
They help screen deals, they do due diligence, they actively support the portfolio companies. They're not just writing checks, they're rolling up their sleeves.
Hands-on investors.
Very. Then there's the Bamboo Network, which is more informal. For the Chinese diaspora, is built on Guangxi.
Guangxi.
Yeah, the concept of deep social networks, personal relationships, reciprocity, almost like a social credit system built on trust and obligation.
Hmm.
The key insight there is how these strong, informal, trust-based ties reduce friction, what economists call transaction costs, and open doors to opportunities that might otherwise stay closed.
Fascinating. So, bringing this all back to Hamfounder, what does this mean for their community hub? What are the absolute core strategic lessons from these successful diaspora networks?
Three fundamental lessons really stand out from the analysis. First, a hybrid and federal model is basically non-negotiable.
Got it. Lesson one, hybrid and local. What's two?
Second, an elite charter member class is the ecosystem's engine. Just like Thai's CMs, Hamfounder needs its own version, this Hamfounder Global Leaders Network, or HGLN.
The core group.
Exactly. The platform has to design distinct privileges, specific responsibilities, and dedicated tools just for this group, because they're the primary source of mentorship, capital, and leadership, and their selection has to be rigorous, almost like an invitation-only club.
Quality control at the core. Okay, and third.
Third, governance must balance global cohesion with local autonomy. Hamfounder's governance model needs to spell out the relationship between the central entity and the local chapters very clearly, ensure brand integrity globally, but allow for responsiveness locally.
Makes sense.
And if you look across Thai J Ventures, the Bamboo Network,
Yeah.
you see these diverse ways to build trust, structure, investment, leverage elite members. All of that directly informs how Hamfounder needs to structure itself.
It's really clear that trust is built through active participation and deep connections, not just having a profile online.